dinner need not be stressful when you know exactly what they love. Now I have one who is obsessed with the butter garlic shrimp, but since he comes from Assam, I thought of tweaking it with some Bhut Jolokia chillies. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating it. Now I'm all for the single pan wonder, so into my large cast iron goes in about 30 grams of butter. And I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil so it doesn't burnish and brown. So about 5 to 10 mils of that going in. And we're going to toss this up with some bell peppers. So in goes 2 red bell peppers, 2 yellow bell peppers, and it's just going to saute and swish away. The peppers get a sprinkling of some onion powder just to give it that burst of flavor, and not forgetting some garlic powder as well. Just go a little overload on it because the peppers need to get that perfect flavor and transcend its sweetness. 12 tiger shrimps get a sprinkling of some onion powder, some garlic powder, it's butter garlic after all, and lastly some salt going in as well. Celery sea salt and a nice mixing. Now the reason why I'm wearing gloves is because of that Bhut Jolokia chili that nestles on the side. I ain't interested in getting that bang in my eyes. 2 dried Bhut Jolokias just crushed up sit in the center. Gloves off, and it's time to grill some shrimps right with it. With the peppers nestling on the side, the shrimps sit right in the center, and we just allow them to curl gracefully about a minute on each side, and this decadent single pan creation is ready. The moment you see it curling, and since it's a cast iron pan, I'm going to switch off the flame and flip these over. I'm going to allow the residual heat to do its magic. All this needs is a garnish of some curly parsley on top, and a decadent appetizer is ready to be dug right into straight from the pan. A delectable appetizer ready for a friend in a jiffy. The shrimp's the star with the butter and the garlic, but really that Bhut Jolokia is killing it to the next level. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.